Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin with, make sure you have the following tools on hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a pair of safety gloves. These will ensure not only a smooth process but also your safety while handling the device. Start by turning off your Dyson SV12 and unplugging it from any power source. Next, locate the screws on the back of the vacuum. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws, placing them in a safe location so you don't lose them. There are typically 5 screws that need to be removed to access the battery compartment. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover using the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any internal components. With the cover removed, you will see the battery secured in place. There may be additional screws holding the battery, so keep an eye out for them. If you feel uncertain at any point, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, so you can always reach out for assistance. Now, carefully disconnect the battery connector. It may require a bit of force, but be sure to do it gently to avoid any damage. Once disconnected, you can lift the battery out of its compartment. Before inserting the new battery, take a moment to clean the inside of the compartment with a dry cloth to remove any dust or debris. A clean environment helps ensure better performance for your new battery. Now, take your compatible replacement battery and place it into the compartment. Make sure it fits snugly and securely. Reconnect the battery connector, ensuring that it clicks into place. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing the replacement yourself, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it hassle-free for you. After securing the battery, it's time to replace the back cover. Align it carefully and press down until it snaps back into place. Don't forget to reinsert the screws you removed earlier. If you're unsure about any step, you can always request a quote before repair from our team to ensure you're making the right decision. Once everything is back in place, turn on your Dyson SV12 and check that it operates as expected. If you notice any issues, you may want to consult with a professional. Remember, no calls, no travel. Our services are designed to be convenient for you. This is how you replace the battery on your Dyson SV12 vacuum, ensuring it remains efficient and effective for your cleaning tasks. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.